BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 91 of season 3. Today's word is validate. Would you like to know what it means? It means to check if something is correct, to prove something true, and to make something officially valid or legally acceptable. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word validate. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Validate is spelled as V-A-L-I-D-A-T-E. The word validate means to check or prove that something is true. For example, we can say that to prepare for upcoming election, the government officers must validate the voters list. Listen carefully how we can use the word validate in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Several ancient documents were discovered in the basement of a fort. Upon initial scrutiny, it appeared that these were 300 years old. But the experts decided to validate this by using special techniques. Wow, isn't that a relevant example? Let us move on to example number 2 of 8. The beautiful lake attracted a large number of tourists throughout the year. A proposal came from the local residents to set up an amusement park there. This proposal was validated by the civic corporation and the construction works started. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. It was Radha's first overseas trip. The security officer at the check-in counter asked for her passport. She was a bit nervous while handing over her passport. She was relieved after the officer validated her passport and asked her to proceed towards the boarding area. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. The lawyer representing the accused claimed that the accused was not present at the scene of crime. However, the judge was not convinced. He asked the police to validate the cell phone location of the accused at the time when the crime took place. Learn to clear any interview from expert in-house trainers, offline and online, who are ready to train you at our training centers in Mumbai and also through a video call. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Moving on to example number 5 of 8. The personal identification documents must be validated for opening a bank account. This helps to prevent frauds which happen by opening fake accounts. Well, don't you agree? Now let us understand example number 6 of 8. Nina wanted to buy diamond jewelry for her birthday. Her mother warned her about duplicate diamonds being used in such jewelry. So she decided to validate the diamond by asking for a certificate of originality. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. The bowler appealed to the umpire that the ball had hit the batsman on the leg and he should be declared out. The umpire looked at the action replay recording and then validated the appeal. Let us understand example number 8 of 8. The students of MK Arts College studied a theory about the relation between poverty and the level of education. In order to validate this theory, the students decided to visit nearby slums to collect required information. Today we learnt the word validate, which means to check if something is correct, to prove something true, to make something officially valid or legally acceptable. Can you frame 3 sentences with validate and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to upgrade your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 91 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.